What up, y'all? Another video. I'm on my way right now. It's raining, cold, drizzly. I'm on my way to pick up my boy Jesse. Y'all know Jesse from the past videos. He's my boy. I'm excited to go out there and try to chase some giant smallies today. Let's see what we can get. See if we can get a smallie. Stick along for the adventure. We're cruising right now. Beating the street, rainy day. Let's go get them, y'all. Stay tuned. And keep it heavy, as always. Good morning. HMM Nation. Good morning. Crazy, bro. Tell me that ain't cool. Even though we see it all the time. But just that frostiness. It's a little frosty. All right, y'all, we made it to our destination. Jesse's about to drop me in. We're going for Gigantors today. Give us 5 minutes for it. That's a seat for you, man. I had an old man in there. He needed a seat, and I figured you're old, man. You need a seat too. All right. We getting it on. See you in a minute with the chunk. All right, guys. We're dropping in. We're dropping in. Good. Do you guys think I can catch one before Jesse even gets out here? I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let's see. I already see fish, guys. I ain't even barely off the ramp. It's snowing. Crystal clear water. Deep, bro. Fucking deep.
Fish might be a little deep this morning.
Yeah, they might. We'll see. Where should I go?
Should I go right here?
I got this new trolling motor, which is pretty nice now.
Just stay on that side of the ramp. Come straight up. You should be above those rocks right now.
I am. I can't believe we can. This is nice. Finally upgraded the trolling motor on this beast.
Yeah.
You're all right. Come on. Yes. That's perfect. That was perfect, Holmes. We threw the crankbait, y'all. And it's not what we want. It felt like a good bite. Check that out. On the rock crawler. Nice fat rainbow to the face. Cool. Another catch. We'll keep plugging. This is insane how freaking clear and deep everything is. There she is. There she is. Finally. Some tank lizoided on his little mini tank. Little mini tank. There we go. We got something. We got something on the block. Oh, Netter Dyer Jenkins Jr. the third. Pulling them out the rocks. Telling y'all. We're gonna find a bigger one before this day's over. That's a male. You know what that tells me? Female is here. Looks like a bed right here. Like a freaking bed right here on this rock. He's hooked up. He's hooked up. Oh God, Jesse, number 2. Oh, it's an upgrade. Jesse, it's an upgrade. Told you. Good job, bud. See, he's coming back. Watch, he'll catch a 5-pounder. I already know. Oh, damn, somebody stole my truck. Somebody stole the truck, left the... Golly, man, there's some big ass fish right here, dude. I don't know what the deal is, Jess. There we go. Finally a big one. Finally a tank, dude. It's gotta be. Might be a netter, bro. Might be a netter, bro. Oh, it's a tank. We finally got a mongoloid. We finally got a mongoloid, y'all. I'm right here. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant pre-spawner. Jesse. Jesse. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh no. See him sabotage me, y'all? Bam, son. What's up with that, dude? That's a fat giant monster. That's what we came for, y'all.
Here's what we want.
Look at that Netter Dyer Jenkins Jr., guys. Look at that monster. That is a freak. Dude. Look at that thing, bro. Look at the belly on that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. $379. Bouncing between 379 and 383. Almost 4.
Do what? Almost 4?
Almost 4. So give me my phone.
Right there.
Hey, one more of this baby. Gosh dang it. Alright guys, look at that thing. Look at that monster, y'all. That's what we came for, right, Jess?
Hell yeah.
Damn, look at the belly on that thing. Thanks, girl. She gone. Give me some, bro.
Hell yeah.
And Here, Jess, give me your hook. I'll hook him on yours. We'll throw him out, and then you caught one. You're like, fuck you. Oh my goodness. We're on the rocks though.
Yeah.
We're on the rocks though. The rocks right here. It's all about the rocks. We already know that now. So we're just gonna go start dissecting rocks. Like a motherfucker too, bro. So you can taste it and feel it. So you have it. So you know how to catch it. Look at him. He's digging. What you digging for, bud?
Not what I got.
He's like, I'm changing. Damn, one cast on this other side. Sometimes you just change it up and bam. Check it out. Got one right here, right? Just right here. It's not even far. Watch, as soon as I drop it down, you see his ass come up. See, he just came up to it. Came up and swiped it. Missed him. Okay, so go over here. Scan a little bit. There's one over there. See him? Barely. Now watch, you'll see him come up. See, oh, see, he's on me. See that? See him on me?
Mm-hmm.
See him on me? I'm about to get him right here. See that, Jess? Your turn. Oh my god, it's a pretty decent one too. Your turn. Oh god, I'm just killing all the fish today. Check it out, guys. Another mountain beauty. I'm gonna take a breather. Jesse needs to catch some fish. So look, put your foot on the trolling motor without hitting it. Right? Let me show you. Wherever the arrow's pointing, up there, that's where you're at. And then just keep it right in front of their face and you'll jack them. See, you got two down there. You need to drop it 20 feet out. Get used to seeing your bait fall and stuff and keeping it on your bait. I'm catching them on a nub, man. I ain't got nothing left. Jedediah, Nedediah, Jenkins Jr. the third. Okay, I'm just gonna watch you now. You see how it works though. Gotta find them. Just keep scouring around. You see one? Boom. Lock on him. Hone on him. 60 feet. Swimming away from you. Maybe to the right. I don't know. See, sometimes you don't know which way they're swimming. And once I get their attention, I'll jiggle it, but then I'll stop it, bro. I'll just stop it. Literally in front of their face. There's one. There was one 30 feet. There was one 30 feet out right here. See him come up? Got him. Ugh. Giants. That's not the one I saw come up. Look how they're eating it, Jess. Do you want to, like, put your finger in his blood or something? Maybe give you a little bit of... Maybe you'll catch it? No.
No.
I told you on these rocks, bro. It's got to be on these rocks, man. Where you at? Let's get you unsnagged.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, you're off?
Yeah.
Go back up in there. Let's see. It's right there. All in there.
Right. Okay.
Yep. Let it sink. Let it sit for a minute. Don't even move it. I already got a fight on mine again. Was that a wolf? I got one on me. I got a good one now. Finally. Finally.
It's a baby.
Finally, y'all. Hi, y'all. Finally a giant. Yeah, right.
A giant baby.
My God, I don't know what it's gonna feel like when the right one hits. Well, that's fish number 93.
Under 4 inches.
Hey, that's over 4. That's a solid 10, 12, 11 incher. 10, 12, 11 incher. Just gotta get on those rocks, Holmes. We're back. We just had another smallmouth bite. We're up to 5 smallies and what, 3 trout? No bigs, literally no bigs. I repeat, no bigs. The biggest weight in the boat right now is a rainbow trizzle. But I just had something hefty on. And I got a feeling he's gonna bite again. Really have a feeling. Oh, yep, he hit it again. Okay. Yep. We found something. We found something right here.
I'm not snagging no one either.
They're biting the heck out of me right now. Something is. Oh, I missed him again. Gee willikers. Cool. Something down there. 83 feet down. Get you one, Jess. Whoa. New species alert. Oh, never mind. It's just the tiniest smallmouth known to man. Right through the snaz.
Rubbing.
There's a bunch of them down there, but we'll get a bigger one. Jesse will catch the biggest probably, I'm sure. Found him. Oh God, it's an absolute freak. Oh, dude, 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 it's a freak. It's a freak. Oh my God, Jess. Jess, it's a 5-pounder.
Think so?
Oh yeah.
You want the net?
Yeah.
Get him.
Get the net. Get the net. Oh. Get the net. Oh, it's a 5-pounder, bro. Instincts, bro. Look at that freak show, guys. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my gosh. Guys, we figured it out now. See? Instincts land you 5-pounders on mountaintops. Woo! That's a behemoth. Look at that hook. Look at that hook. Look at that jewel bait. Look at that netted eye Jenkins. Jesse, look at it. Oh my God, bro.
Hell yeah.
That's a freak, bro. Pick. One pick with the mountains. How's that? Look at that thing. Feel that thing.
Hell yeah.
Want to see? See what she weighs, guys. Came off this shallow ass rock. Oh my goodness. One cast, guys. Oh. Oh. 355.
Last one was fatter.
Fatter, but this one's longer. goodness. Guys, it's a 19, almost 19 incher. God. Oh, another almost 4-pounder, man. Look at this view, Jesse. Look at that thing. Bro. That's what we came for, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much for this wonderful little journey with us. Look at that thing, guys. That's a giant. Oh, golden beauty, mountain beauty. Back to where she came from. Jesse tangled me in the net on purpose. He don't want me to catch him. He don't want me to catch him, guys. That was epic, dude. I just said it, huh? Yeah. I was like, maybe they're set up here. We found them. We found them, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Found one.
I think it was actually a 4 something because it, when I locked it, it bounced. Because it was like 383. I don't know, but dude, did you get a sick pic of that one? Oh yeah, you did. Oh God. I had one, another one. I'm scared. See, Jesse? That's why we gotta bebop around, see? That was like one freaking solid cast. I came up here, pulled up and made one cast. And wham. Giant. I could have sworn that would have been a 5-pounder. That's crazy. It's been a day for you.
Just fishing.
I'm just fishing. The damn. Another one. Another freak show. Oh, it's even bigger. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. It's not bigger. What is that? It's a smallmouth, but it ain't bigger. Oh, God. Look at the belly on that thing. Look at the belly on that thing. Jesse. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at the belly on that thing. I've never seen a belly that big on a smallmouth. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Guys, we're talking jumbo bellies. Look at the belly on that thing. I have never seen a smallmouth with a belly that big. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's got a 4-inch belly. A 4-inch belly on a 15-inch fish. Holy cow. Ah, mountaintop smallies.
Right.
Jesse in the background. That sucks, bro. God. Bro, I'm on one. I'm on one of those ones. I knew it was a 500. I knew it. I knew it. Let me tell you, Jesse, right now, okay? You ready? Damn, that was the biggest belly I ever seen on a smallmouth. Cast it that way, towards that white house. Never mind. I'm hooked up out here now. Yeah, anyways. Yes, towards the White House. Right when I tell you that way, they're over here. Okay. We done found something happening here. Anywhere in this little cut right here, they're gonna be another big one. I think that was a giant female or a stubby female that was about to lay eggs, bro. That was a freaking fatty belly. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Mountain Standard Time 2:17, catching fatties. All right, that's a wrap. That's the nub that was left of after all day. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, dude. A nub. That was fun. Those giants will all be up here soon. That's the sucky part. How we doing?
Good. You're doing good today?
Yeah. That was real good day. Bass, trout. Saw some real big muskie.
Yeah. Looked into something real big earlier on the other side. I don't know what the hell it was.
Oh, on the other side of the lake?
Yeah, over there where that little rocky point thing is out there. There's like a little cove that goes back there.
Probably a big old smallmouth. We caught a couple tanks over there.
Oh, nice. It was 19 3/4 inches.
On the fly, huh?
I caught it on this right here.
What is that? Oh, okay. It's got a little weight on it?
A little deceiver. I put it on.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Bet you that was a fun fight.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we caught a bunch. Crap ton, but only a couple bigs.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's fun. They're starting to bite. Nice to see the water up so high.
Yeah, I'm out here once or twice a week. I usually do right over there. Here I catch it on tours and out in.
Yeah, it's nice that the water's so high.
Yep.
Hope it stays like that.
Yeah, me too. You live in Canyon, don't you?
Yeah.
You're Evans, aren't you?
Yep. Yeah.
I used to be on Facebook. I was catching those big smallmouth out of the Arkansas in Florence
Oh, sweet.
years ago. Yeah.
Yeah, we used to do that too.
I can't find them anymore. I don't know what the hell happened to them.
Yeah, I think the river just changes so much that they move, they migrate to the next hole or something. Because same thing, we used to have a honey hole loaded with them.
Yeah.
And we quit going because same thing, they were just gone. But you can get some wiper in there, all kinds of. Shoot, he caught a big old tiger muskie in there.
On fish brain. Yeah. I saw your picture on there.
Yeah, he caught a tiger muskie right down there in freaking Florence there. It's like, wow. Pretty.
Catching big browns too out of there.
Yeah? Lately?
No, not me, but I know some kids that go down there and catch some big ones.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have Facebook anymore, but I remember. Now I remember you now.
Okay, cool. Well, nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah. Hey, good luck, bud.
I'm John Houston.
Don Evans again.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, you too.